grab it with your hands, nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands, nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello, all the wonderful people out there. Welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany.
Yeah, man.
So guys, for today's video, we're gonna show you all along the mine and a bit of Römer here.
Yeah, just show you some of Frankfurt.
Yeah, we're finally now in our city. Yeah, our hometown, not in Munich anymore. Yeah, so I guess first we showed you all Munich, which was not our hometown, and now we're showing you all our hometown.
Right, that's what we are going to do today. But just some part of it, not everything.
Yeah.
Frankfurt is quite big.
Frankfurt is too big.
Right. So I guess we start with the mine, huh? Thank you to all the people who subscribe to our channel. Please keep it up, continue to do so. Please share, like, comment below. Yeah guys, so that's the mine.
Yeah, this is the mine.
The main river that goes through Frankfurt.
Yeah.
Got my bags packed, timeline on track. My winter coat stuck in the closet way back. I won't be needing that, I won't be needing that. I'm ready to fly down 65, hit the coastline in the sunshine. I'm going to find my new.
So guys, we got some food.
Finally din. We just come from work and I'm so hungry and thirsty too. So we got here fish.
This is like a fish dinner somehow with dorade and some homemade chips.
You can see some German tradition, or probably it's not only in Germany, in the big cities like that, but you put locks on the bridges, just like you can see it here. Sometimes when they get married, or sometimes just when they love each other, and Chrissy and I are definitely gonna put one there too, right, Chrissy?
Yeah, we need to put one here.
Yeah, I think it's a nice tradition. Imagine if you would have only locked them what you have here, how heavy that would be.
Very
And
heavy.
then you wait, Chrissy, eh?
Everybody wait.
So the bridge go collapse.
Don't say that, we can't swim.
All that high.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter the height.
We survived that. I don't know which up there.
They must climb.
They really climb up there. Would you climb up there? Hey, Chrissy, what happened if my one right up on top?
Yeah, you can go and put it there.
You go. Come on here.
Oh, this looks really cute.
How cute is that?
Yeah. It's getting heavier and heavier. Right in Frankfurt.
Gleich mal.
Plums. But I think they cut off the old ones. Could that be?
Yeah.
The old ones.
Timmy did read something a long time ago, also like about weight and things. I think after a couple of years, maybe they don't look so pretty anymore. So now we are going down.
Da gibt's ja nichts zu sehen. Kannst ja den nehmen. Yeah, stop you. Did I stop you? So, warum sagst du, was ist meine Schuld? Then the next one says 1682.
Yeah, guys, imagine, like a long time ago, before I was born, like in the end of the war, it was like, I believe, 1945, right? Everything here was totally destroyed in and around this area. Probably even the bridge, I'm not sure about that. The bridge we just crossed with really nice locks and so. And I mean, it was so many bombs, and the entire place just went into flames. Because houses back then, they were built very close to each other, like. So it's like from one building to the next, you could shake each other's hand. So close they were. And up to this day, they still find bombs. But sometimes you have to evacuate and go somewhere else for a couple of hours, and somehow then get rid of the bomb. Like even in the mine, they find one the other day.
That's
I mean,
true.
imagine that. You don't even know if our house, where we live, also can top of one bomb. That's scary.
So continue, guide me, our tour guide guiding.
I'm a better tour guide in Jamaica. I know more about Jamaica than Germany.
Okay, so what are we looking at on the right hand side?
Cafe.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but remember we did read like even longer ago or so when the emperors and so were throned here in Frankfurt. And they used to walk around that area here. But I believe it was more up that way.
More up.
Yeah, because Frankfurt was by the Romans. No?
So guys, this is where the Christmas market is usually held.
Yeah, last year there was none.
Yeah, Corona mashed up the thing.
Yeah, make a white guess.
But usually this place is so crowded with people. And
People
usually,
get married in front of that building via that.
yeah, and there's a big old Christmas tree here usually too.
I remember when we just came to Frankfurt and we thought all of those are really the old houses from way back. Until we realized they are all rebuilds.
Yeah, they're rebuilt.
I remember one of my friends where I work, an older gentleman, he told me once they used to have theater here where the Brunnen is. So the Brunnen is still originally. And they used to make plays there, like shows and stuff. Like he was a little boy, he just died the other day, he was very old. And he said it was just so awesome. And he also told me, if you do it nowadays in Germany also, they will get a heart attack if you carry your food inside a restaurant and order a beer. But
That's
back
crazy.
then, they had a special place where you can buy the big sausage, big. And then you go to this restaurant, I don't remember the name, and there you could order the beer, eat your sausage, or eat your beer and things like that.
That's
It was really
all good.
cool.
So this is a little fountain over here.
Yeah, and that is where the bride and the groom would come out.
Yeah, the bride and the groom come out here. So guys, this way we go in town, and this way we go further into the remade old town.
Yes.
They try to remake it.
Yes, and they try to make every house what they did build there, they used something really old from the building who did stand there before, like
So they
if it's only
reuse
one piece of
material.
artifact or something.
That's good. That's really good.
Yeah, it's really cool.
And here is parking down there. Someone here's also the train stop. So So what do we have here now, Mommy?
Rapunzelgässchen, how cute is that?
Rapunzel house.
Yeah, one fairy tale.
Yeah.
Was Rapunzel the one with the long hair?
Yeah.
Please, Rapunzel, let your hair down.
Up there, maybe? What? Oh, this looks cute.
Friedrich-Stolze-Denkmal. Friedrich-Stolze-Statue. I try to think of what he was against Stolze. Was he a poetess or something? I think so, oder?
Good question. I don't know.
Frankurt ist Rom auf Goethe. Genau, ich habe auch
Diese Western.
Trompeter-Museum. Also very cool.
Aha.
The guy who didn't want to comb his hair and cut his nails and didn't want to eat his food. But look at the date, 734, no?
1734.
Oh, Tante Melba. Remember I used to have that book with some of my, where I work, so somebody took it away like. They did have everything about the old buildings here. And something special about this Tante Melba. I wonder if that is the house where we used to sleep one time, or I don't know what it was. Ooh, where's the handbags? Do we like them?
I don't know. Do you like? The red one is your color.
It's only 49 euro. Do you have money?
Of course, I'm rich.
This is even cheaper, 39.
Guys on camera.
Chrissy, come on.
Next time. Next time, Pulu. Next time.
39 euro, that's cheap.
Guys, I have to get a charger. Guys, I have to get a charger. My charger is smashed up. Too broad.
Yeah, not the color, I'm not crazy about you. But remember this style? That used to look weird.
Maybe. I don't really remember that style. Nice.
This is Jamaica next year, so you have to buy it.
But I don't like the Schnitt irgendwie.
Ich schon.
Magst du? Wie viel kosten sowas?
Das ist eigentlich 39, das andere eben.
Auch 39?
Bestimmt. How long would it be?
Schon sehr lang.
Reicht doch. Ich lasse es da hängen, ne?
You put it from make somebody come get it.
No, you forget it.
Next year I'm shop for you, don't worry. So guys, and just like that we're out of the man-made old town.
Frankurt, they also have tour guides where they explain everything to you and show you around and so on. Some of them even dressed up as like a long time ago people used to dress. Remember we did see that one time?
Yeah.
That was really cool. Remember this lady with the white skirt something? Because back then people dressed differently. That's right.
Oh, so they dress up and have tours. In Jamaica we never used to dress up, or you never used to dress up. So guys, thank you all for watching. That was the end of our little tour in Römerberg.
Yeah, we hope you like it and enjoy watching. And hopefully soon we can show you some more, because Frankfurt is a big city and there's a lot of more nice places, and we will show you the Zeit probably next time where people go shopping and so. And there's so much else to see. So I hope you did enjoy it. Let us know. Right?
Please like, share, subscribe.
And comment below. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Peace.